Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear me? Okay. Right. So last class, okay, we have started a course last week. A few classes completed. In last classes, we discussed only what is the syllabus of our full stack Java, and we discussed syllabus of core Java, and we started our first chapter. What is Java? Right? Now, can you recollect what is Java? Java is a platform independent object-oriented programming language. Okay, come on, recollect. How many of you newly joined today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Online students, how many of you newly joined today? Today first class. Can you use chat window? Okay. Okay. So last classes, we have discussed videos are already there in our YouTube. We have already streamed live. You can watch those videos after class. Okay, and in the middle of the class, I will give you Google Classroom link. You people has to join in that Google Classroom link. There you can find previous classes videos and also material. Okay, now don't worry about what happened in the last classes. So just focus on what I am trying to explain in the today class. Okay, I will give you revision and also give you videos of previous classes. No problem. Okay, Kaushiki, just focus on course. Okay, so tell me now, introduction to core Java. We are trying to learn full stack Java. As part of full stack Java, the first course is what? Core Java. Full stack Java is a combination of multiple courses. In that, the first course we are learning core Java. Learning core Java is nothing but learning what? Java language. Point number 1. Learning core Java is nothing but learning Java language. As part of Java language, first we should learn what is Java. Next we should learn who invented Java. Then we should learn why Java is invented. Differences between C and C++, Python and Java. Okay, and next types of applications, standalone application and internet application. In last class, we have completed these 5 topics. So let us quickly revise. What is Java? Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. We didn't discuss what is the meaning of platform independent. We didn't discuss what is the meaning of object oriented. Okay, just I gave you statement. Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. Next, who invented Java? Java is invented by James Cosley. Java was invented by James Cosley in Sun Microsystems in the year 1991. Later, it released in the market in the year 1995. First version released in 1995 as a testing purpose. And for developing projects, it is again released in 1996 as Java 1.0. Okay. Next, why Java was invented? We have already C. Already we have C++. Also we have Python. Python is also older than Java. Okay, many people are feeling Python newly invented. No. Python was invented in 1989. Okay, 1980s only it was invented, and in 1991 it is released in the market. By the time James Cosley decided to develop Java, Python was there already in the market. Then when Python was old language, why Python now got boom nowadays? Why people are learning Python nowadays? Okay, when Java is new, before Java only Python was there. Now why after these 20, almost 28 years after? Okay, why now suddenly Java got, Python got the boom? Because the requirement in the industry. For the new requirements in the IT industry, Python is having the predefined libraries. In 1990s, the main target is developing business applications, internet-based business applications. To develop internet-based business applications, these 3 languages doesn't have features. The required features are not provided in these 3 languages. C and C++ meant for developing application, but only mathematics based. Python is also meant for developing applications, but this is meant for developing scripting kind of applications, game kind of applications to develop, Python is suitable. But for developing internet-based business applications, network applications to develop, these two languages doesn't provide any support. For that, James Costing decided to develop one new language. Then Java captured the market last 28 years from 1991 to now 2025. Market is completely captured by Java. Still, application development means Java only using. Then why suddenly Python got boom? Especially from 2018 onwards, Python Jamana started. 2018 onwards, Python Jamana started. It's all because of Google. Google company has required lot of data analyzation for any product to buy, for anywhere you want to go. So Google has provided search engine. Na? So in search engine, slowly, data is increasing. How to analyze the data, how to provide proper suggestions to the user when they ask. Lot of statistical knowledge, lot of statistical calculation, linear algebra calculations are required. That mathematical functions searching in the Java language. Google company developed Google products by using Java, but Java doesn't have mathematical calculation required library. Hence, they are looking for alternative languages. That alternative language first they found was R. What is the language name? R. First they found language R, but still R is having some limitations. Then they are searching for one more language. Is anything there? They found what? Python. Then Google started using Python. By seeing Google, Facebook started using Python. By using Facebook, all social media apps, okay, online shopping apps started using Python along with Java. Sir, how Java and Python can communicate each other, sir? How Python program can be embedded as part of Java application by using a concept called web services, by using a concept called RESTful services. By using RESTful services, Python program can embed with Java. So Java application front end taking the input with RESTful services giving to Python, Python analyzing the data with a mathematical calculation. One report is generated and report is giving back to Java, and then Java displaying the data to the front end user. So slowly 2018 onwards, people are started moving towards what? Python. And tell me, do you have any Python trainers that time? No. Do you have any Python developers that time? No. Then from where Python developers, Python trainers came? Derived from Java. From Java, some people are coming forward and started teaching Python. From Java, some people are coming forward, form as a team and developing Python-based projects. Is it clear? Right? So tell me, a Java person can go to Python easily? Yes. A Python person can come to Java? Impossible. If you learn Python only, then come to Java is impossible. Tell me in the companies, without Java, only Python, without Python, only Java, nowadays working out? No. Both Java and Python knowledges are required. Now, my recommendation is full stack Java plus Python course. Python, core Python, advanced Python. Only Python course syllabus you learn. So, full stack Java master and get awareness on Python so that in your resume, when you have full stack Java and Python, you will get more calls and your resume will be shortlisted very fast because company need both knowledgeable people. Okay, done. So then types of application. How many types of applications are there? Two types of applications, standalone and internet. So why Java was invented? What the main reason for Java? To develop standalone applications or internet applications? Internet applications. What is the internet application means? Let me quickly give you diagram. This is my server computer. This is my server computer. Inside server computer, I have my program or project. This is server computer, I have program or project. Then this is my client computer with the browser. Client computer with browser, without browser, take like. Now this is client computer, means your computer. You are available at your home, you are not going anywhere, you are standing here only or sit here only. Then both computers are already connected via network. Both computers are connected via network. Then this client is going via network to this computer, downloading this program into his computer and running that program here. Then this program is called what? Internet application. Everyone understand? Then this program is called internet application. So again repeat, what is a client computer? A computer which is using by the end user sending the request. What is a server computer? A computer that has a program or project or application or software that serve the request, that process the request, that give the files and content to the client. When a client send the request, then the program is accessible via internet and it is downloaded into where now? Client computer, running in the client computer and displaying the information to the client. Then this application is called what? Internet application. Now let me give you example. Tell me now, I open my browser in the client system. I am using, let's say, book my ticket. Book my show, no? Book my ticket, whatever. Okay, book my show. అంటే ఫలితాలు మీకు దగ్గరగా చూడాలి. Book my show. When you click on this, tell me, I got this page. Is this page available? I have this page. Is this page available in my system or it is downloaded from the internet? Come on, answer. This page is available in my system? No. Somewhere it is available in the server computer. Which server computer? Book my show server computer. Here we have the program. When I open client computer browser, when I access, this program is downloaded all the way from the server computer into my browser, executed and show it to me this page. And tell me, this page is what? Standalone application or internet application? Internet application. There are two types of internet applications are there, guys. How many types of applications? Two types. Two types of internet applications are there. Number one, client side executing internet application. Second one is server side executing internet application. Everyone tell me, how many types of internet applications we have? Two types. Number one, client side executing internet application. Second one is what? Server side executing. Tell me, HTML program is client side executing or server side executing? Come on, HTML program is client side executing or server side executing? Just apply common sense. You will get automatically answer. Everyone, it is a client side executing or server side executing? Okay, first of all, tell me, what is the meaning of client side? What is the meaning of server side? Observe this diagram first. Remember this diagram, then you have to answer. This is my server computer. In server computer, I have one program, program number one. This is my client computer. And this is server computer, which is client side. What is the meaning of client side? Side, which side? Array, simple English I am using. Client side. Client side means here, Rava. Client computer side is called what? Client side. Server side. What is the meaning of server side? Server computer. Array. This is client side. This is server side. See, Instagram reels, YouTube shorts. Okay, how much your brain is dead because of them? Simple English also you are translating and not able to guess. Your brain is, you not stopped using your brain. Corona batch passed in the exams. Corona, yes or no? All people are Corona batch after Corona batch? After Corona, all the people written final exams? Yes or no? Amma, thanks Babu. And tell me, most of the time you are not using your brain, you are not analyzing, only using your eyes. Check, from morning you wake up to till evening night before you sleep, how much time you use your brain? How much time you find something new by your own? How much time you reading? Are you reading any books? Do you have book reading habit? Reading any books? Anybody in the class? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 people, 4 people reading books. Which books? Java books. Hey, I'm not asking Java book or your academics book. Extracurricular activities books like novels or puzzles or some motivational books. Any books are you reading? Never. Start reading one book from today. Everybody, you want job or not? Job or not? If you want a job as per your expectation very fast, okay, read a book called The Power of Subconscious Brain. What the book name? The Power of Subconscious Brain. Don't read this book online. Immediately thinking, where to search, how to download PDF, how can I get a free book? This is what running immediately in your mind. Don't download the soft copy, buy physical book. Read paper book you buy, go to one bookstall, Universal bookstall is there and Himalaya bookstall is there, go there and buy the book, or else go to Koti. In Koti there are first hand books also there, second hand books are there, old books. Go to old bookstall and then buy The Power of Subconscious Brain. Daily 15 minutes read this book. One page, one paragraph, one line. In this 15 minutes, how much you can read, that much you read. ఓకేనా నాట్ ఓకేనా? కొంచెం ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ చేంజ్ చేయండి రా. అలా స్టాచ్యూలో కూర్చోకండి. యూజ్ యువర్ స్మైల్ ఫేస్ ఆర్ యాంగ్రీ ఫేస్. షో సమ్ డిఫరెన్సెస్. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, నౌ ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సాఫ్ట్ కాపీయా? If you use soft copy, you have to quickly go to eyesight hospital. If you go to soft copy, there are two problems. Problem number one, more screen time increased. Eyes will be spoiled very fast. You don't have specs. Why you want specs? Okay, now problem number one, eyes are damaged. Problem number two, when you have the book in your hand, more visibility will be there. Soft copy, you can have only that paragraph, and every time you are reading in the mobile only, move the screen that side, this side, that side, right? Distracting, concentration distracting. You can see only few words, not full page also. It's distracting. If it is a book, more visualization will be there. Diagrams you can see, you can analyze. So that's why always read books. Follow before BTech style. Before BTech, you are reading books online or offline? Always textbooks you are buying and reading. After joining BTech, tech entered into your market, technology entered into your life, spoiling your life. Okay, everyone tell me. So now what the word we are trying to understand? Client side and then what? Server side. Every internet application has two sides. Client side is there and server side is there. What is the meaning of client side? A program available in server computer that is downloaded and executed in client computer browser and display output to the user is called what? Client side. Chapali, last words is called. You have to speak, please. Okay, last chairs people, come forward. First move. Why you went? Go. All pillar back side. All people come front. Everyone move. Pillar back side. Everyone fast. Everybody occupy first chairs first. Why you go back? It's not college, no. Why you are going there? I don't ask any questions. Come on. Black shirt. Chair is free chair. Class and then Indigo on the Kada. In the back in the killer. Comfort and allow Chala Gunchado. Nina, back chair, why you go? Why did you go back chair? Come inside, take the U-turn and come to first chair. Okay, na? I don't ask any personal questions. Don't worry. Okay, na? I don't torture you like in college. Show me your notes. Completed homework or not? I don't ask. Okay, na? Right. Always occupy front chairs. It's very important. Now, sit all together. Don't go, away, alone. Come and tell me now. Once again, how many parts are there in internet application? Two parts. Number one, client side. Number two, server side. A project has how many types of programs? Two types of programs. Client side executing programs And then next one is what? Server-side executing program. Server-side executing program. Come on, everyone. How many types of programs? Two types. First one, client-side executing. Second one, server-side executing. Some people are still hesitating to say. Come again. First one, I want here. जोर से बोलो. Client-side executing program. Second one, server-side executing program. Online students, no response in the chat window. Everyone. I want everyone, online, offline, everyone should reply. Okay, YouTube live students. Other name. It is not a subject book. It is a motivational book. Motivational book, only one author will be there. Come on, online students. Use chat window. Reply today onwards. Without you replying, I cannot go to the next class, next topic. YouTube live attending students, you should also reply. Tomorrow onwards, YouTube live will not be there. Everyone join WebEx class. Go to NareshIT.com. In NareshIT.com, you will find the link for this class. Please register and join. Now tell me, how many types of applications are, how many types of programs available in a project? Two types. What type of project? Internet application. In internet application, we have two types of programs. Client-side executing programs and server-side executing programs. Client-side executing programs. Client-side executing programs means the program which is available in the server, downloaded and executed in the client computer is called what? Client-side executing program. అరే ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్లో రెండు రకాల ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఉంటాయి. క్లయింట్ సైడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయ్యే ప్రోగ్రామ్స్, సర్వర్ సైడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయ్యే ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. క్లయింట్ సైడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయ్యే ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటే ఏంటి? సర్వర్లో ఉంటుంది, అది మనం యాక్సెస్ చేసినప్పుడు క్లయింట్ బ్రౌజర్లో లోడ్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడ రన్ అవుతుంది. అర్థమైందా? హిందీ మే బోలో, थोड़ा थोड़ा मुझको आता. ओके, हाउ मेनी, कितना टाइप्स प्रोग्राम्स हैं? दो. क्लाइंट साइड एग्जीक्यूशन है, सर्वर साइड एग्जीक्यूशन है. क्लाइंट साइड एग्जीक्यूट मतलब क्या है? वो प्रोग्राम सर्वर में रहता. ओके, व्हेन यू सेंड ए रिक्वेस्ट, वो क्लाइंट को डाउनलोड करके इधर एग्जीक्यूट होता. अंडरस्टैंड है हिंदी? प्लीज अंडरस्टूड. ओके, then we call it as what? Client side. Then what is server side? Apply your Hindi Telugu. A program available in bolo, a program available in server. When you send request, when I ask to execute, when I send request means what? I am asking to execute. When I ask to execute, tell me, this program executed where? Answer, executed where? In server. What is coming back to the client? Only output. Only output coming. Then we call it as what? Server side executing program. Understood? Repeat once again. How many types of programs are there? Two types. Up to last class, I dictate the notes. Remember? From today onwards, I am not going to dictate the notes. I will dictate the notes to your brain, not in the notebook. Dictate the notes to the brain. You have to register points in the brain. Sir, how can I write notes in the brain, sir? Use mouth. The pen to the brain is what? Mouth. The pen to the notes is what? Hand. Okay, start use your mouth. Reply. Come on, speak. Rebel. How many types of applications in internet application? Two types of programs. Number one, client side execution program. Number two, server side executing program. Client side executing program means where it is available, in a client computer or server computer. Excellent. It is available in server computer but executed in client computer automatically when we ask. When the client asks, when we enter, who is that we? Client. When client asked, then it will load executed in client computer, in the client computer browser. Then we call it as what? Client side executing program. Then what is server side executing program? The program is available in server computer. When we request, when end user, when client request, it is executed in server. generate the result and return the result to the end user and display it to the end user. Understood? Right? Then tell me. Now, I wanted you to identify these 2 points. Now, open browser, book tickets online, make my trip. There is another website called what? Make my trip. And tell me, this is a Google page, empty page. Everyone should answer. Ready? This is my empty page. This is a Google page or not? The moment when I open browser, I got the Google page. Right click, view page source. Dekho, it's a HTML page. Bujji HTML page. Is it available in my computer? No. It is downloaded from where? Google server. Everyone should participate. This is my Google server. This is my Google server. This is my computer browser. The moment when I open browser, automatically, internally, what is executed? Google.com. When I type google.com, it go to Google server. In Google server, we have something called what? Home.html. It has HTML by HTML, lot of page content is available. Then browser, reading that HTML page content, loading into the browser, executed, and display what? Search box. Understand my point? Then tell me, this HTML page is what page? Tell me, client side executing or server side executing? Server side executing. And that's why I'm saying speak out, speak out, speak out. I repeat again, client side or server side? Home.html file is available in server, but it is loaded and executing which side? Then it's a client side executing a server side executing a client side executing a not server side. Client side executing program. Then I am searching something like this here. Book my tickets online. Book tickets online. Searched and enter key. Then what happened? By taking this text, it is going to the server. Then inside server, one program is available. No. This program is going to different places in the internet, collecting the different websites links, collecting different websites links, and all these links, all these websites links are written to our browser. In the next page, it is displaying. Next page, it is displaying. Now tell me, this program, who is collecting the different websites link and sending all the links as one page to our program is what? Client side executing or server side executing? Everyone should answer. Come on. Server side executing. Why? Is this program downloaded into our browser? No. It is available where? Server side. Executing where? Server side. Then what this program is called? Server side executing program. Everyone understand? Shall we apply one more example? Everyone ready to answer? Paka? Again watching. Watching only. Third example. First example, second example. First example, book my show. Second example, Google. Third example. Third example also, if you are sitting silently watching me seriously, hey, come on. You are not suitable for software industry. Change your mind. Then I got this is the page. Okay. When I click on this link, what this website name? MakeMyTrip.com. Okay. Let me directly type. Let me open new browser, a new page here. I'm writing MakeMyTrip.com. నేను చెప్ప మీరే చెప్పాలి. You only tell. When I type here make my trip, press enter. What happened? You only explain. You are a software engineer. Everyone wake up. You are a software engineer. Okay. Being a software engineer, you should participate and tell. Come on. First one, server. Who's the server? Google server. Google server. Is it a Google project? Come on, where it will go? Make my trip server. Come on, online students. Everyone, make my trip. server. Here in make my trip server, we have, come on, we have client side and we have server side. Client side and server side. Now tell me, client side page is nothing but what? Home.html. Okay, home.html. Then this is your client system. This is your client system. This is your browser. This is your browser. Then here you type makemytrip.com, press enter. Then request is going to where? Make my trip server, going to where? Home.html. Whatever the content available in home.html page, reading that content, downloading into where? Browser. In the browser, it will execute. In the browser, it will execute and will give us one page. Okay, it will give us one page. Everyone understand? Then tell me, here it displaying us one page. Now that page contains text box, another text box, and clicking on one button. When it, okay, that means what? You want to book my ticket now. You want to travel from to when date. Okay, and click on submit button. Then what happened? With all these details available, flights or trains has to show na. Tell me, where flights and trains information available? In my computer, in the make my trip server. Then again request is going to make my trip server. Following tell me, in make my trip, which will handle this request? The program available in server. Then this program has to collect the data of the trains and flights available. For that, it is interacting with what? Database. For that, it is interacting with the database. From the database available data, it is taking, return the data to our program as the next page. As the next page. And then in the next page, we have seen the trains and flights available and we are selecting whichever you want, we are booked the ticket. So tell me now, here HTML page is what? Client side execution because it is downloaded. Here this program is running client computer in the server computer. That's why it is called what? Server side executing program. Third example I explained. At least now got clarity, right? So tell me, how to develop client-side executing program by using HTML. How to develop server-side executing program by using advanced Java. By using what? Advanced Java. Tell me, when you join advanced Java course, are you learning language or are you learning program to develop and run server computer? You are learning program develop and execute at what side? Server side. Everyone understand? Now I have a question. Sir, client-side application developed by using HTML. Okay. Server-side application developed by using advanced Java. Okay. Where is core Java? Current topic is HTML course, advanced Java course, core Java course, core Java. Where is my core Java, sir? Wonderful question you have asked. Core Java is a God. Can you see God? No. But everywhere God is there or not? Without God, can you imagine this world? No. No, sir, I am not believing God, sir. Abba, every day, every dog has a day, okay? One day you will start believing, don't worry. So, like how real God, core Java is also God. You cannot see. Array, if you want to develop this program, what knowledge required? Core Java knowledge. If you want to interact with the database, what knowledge required? Core Java knowledge. If you want to verify from to and what is that, when the entire date, everything you want to verify, what knowledge required? Core Java knowledge. So if you want to develop a program, a small high-level program to big enterprise project, what knowledge required? Core Java knowledge. So tell me, a Java developer is front-end client-side application developer, back-end server-side program developer. Java developer is which side developer? Client side or server side? Client side. Array, client side is what you are developing, buddy. HTML. Is HTML is part of Java module or UI module? Java module is what? Program development, right? Java module you are using for developing program. So tell me, Java programmer, core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot developer is available at which side? Server side. You are developing which side program? Server side program. Internet ask a question. Who are you? I'm a server side developer. Who are you? Server side developer. I'm a server side programmer. I'm a Java developer who is involving in server side application development. Clear my point? So the program you develop always executed at server and it generates one HTML file with the output sending. Okay. So tell me, yesterday, last class we have learned, let me complete it. Makemytrip.com. Look at that. This page is coming. What is this page? It is a pure HTML page. Now this HTML page is generated from server side. One program is there, advanced Java program. I want to book the train. Click on the train. Where to where you want to go? Search. Now I wanted to. Okay, he is saying something. Hyderabad to where you want to go? AC, I want quick filters. Okay, AC. Okay, search. Oh, already it's taken from. I want from Hyderabad. Now to. I want to go to Delhi. On which date? Today. I want which class? 1 year. First class AC I want. Okay, click on search. When I click on search, these are the trains I got. Telangana Express, Dakshina Express. Okay. Now I wanted to select one of the express. Okay, where is how to book the tickets? I never try this website, man. View route map not required. Click on this arrow, no? Oh, 4,460 rupees. Where to pay, man? Where is the pay button? Okay, then let's not worry about this website, how to access. Okay, fine. So now finally, what the final understanding? Very, very important. We have two types of application. Whatever you are seeing on the website, okay, let me take our easy website, amazon.in. And now this page is what? Client side. When you click on boat information is sending next page by background one program. That background program is what? Server side. Okay, and then boat. Now again new page is coming. This new page information coming from background one program. That program is what? Server side. In which language that server side programs are developed? Java. So you are working on front end this images and text generating a background Java programmer. Background Java program. That is your job. Okay. With this, we completed types of applications and types of internet application. How many types of internet applications we have? Two types. Client side executing and server side executing. Just write down 2 points. Types of internet applications. Types of internet applications. Tushara. Client side applications also we can develop by using Java, but Java applications are taking more network internet data for download, more time to execute. HTML is just a plain text file. It will download fast and browser alone can execute HTML pages. That's why people are choosing HTML. Understood? Written. What written? Types of internet applications or programs. Internet applications are bracket programs. We have two types of internet programs. We have two types of internet programs. Number one, client side executing. Number one, client side executing. Number two, server side executing. Client side executing. Number two, server side executing. Client-side executing internet application, internet program, IP. Client-side executing IP, server-side executing IP. Okay? So look at here, Java supports two types of applications development, standalone applications and internet application. An application that can be accessed and executed only in one computer in which it is installed is called standalone application. It cannot be accessed and executed from remote computer through internet. An application that can be accessed and executed from remote system through network is called what? Internet application. Now look at the remote system, network call, program. Network call allowed, not allowed. So it is called what? Standalone. Remote system, network call is accepted, local call is also accepted, then what we call internet. And then types of standalone application, there are two types, it's not required. Types of internet application, we have two types of internet applications. Client-side executing component, component means program. And second one is what? Server-side executing component. What is a client-side executing application or component? An application that resides in the server computer. When client send request, if it is downloaded and executed in the client system browser, it is called what? Client-side executing application. Look at here. This is our server computer. In server computer, we have what? Program. Then from the client system browser, I send request. Request means I am asking, please execute. Then this program is downloaded and executed in the browser, not into hard disk. Downloading into browser, in the browser, executed, output generated. First we send request, second downloaded, third executed, fourth output is displayed. Then we call this program as what? Client-side executing internet application or program. The next, what is internet server-side executing application or program? An application that resides in the server system. An application that resides in the server system, both client-side, server-side, both are available where? Server only. When a client send request, if it is executed directly in the server system and sends only output as a response to the client is called what? Server-side executing application. What the diagram change? When we send request, program is not downloaded, program is executed in the server, generate output, sending the response. Then we call it as what? Server-side executing internet application. Everyone understand? Write down these points quickly. Client-side executing component you write or program. Client-side executing program. Client-side executing program. Don't write application. Client-side executing program. Client-side executing you can say component or you can say program. General terminology is what? Component. These words are very important when you are working with Java. Mahesh, I'm asking you to write these points. Why you want my voice? You want me to pronounce every word? Completed? Write down this diagram. Which direction you have to write? Left to right or right to left? Without server system, client system, this program arrow mark should not write. First, server system, write down. Server system. Inside server system, program. Nana, do what I'm saying. First, write server system. Without server, how can you write client? Without shop, how can I buy the things? First, you have to have shop. Online students, if you find any doubts, please let me know. Today topic is very important. With this, we are launching the new points. And even you don't know previous classes also, today class you must understand. There is no dependency from previous classes. In server system, we have program. Now, client system. Inside client system, browser. Then browser sending request. Then the program is downloaded. What downloaded? Program file, program code. Come on. Program file, program code. Code only, not file. File is not downloaded, only code. Downloading code. Only code will be downloaded. Downloading code. And here program code. Executed, output displaying to the user. Here you are there. Who is this fellow? End user, you. Muhammad, did you join class today? First class is today is the first class. Completed a diagram? What are the examples of client side executing program? For example, no, not Amazon, Flipkart, Archana. Amazon means complete application. What here? Home.html. What? Home.html. When first page is downloaded, first page when you open the browser, the next signin.html. Do you know sign in means login? Signin.html. Signup.html. Sign up means registration. Signup.html. Products. Product info.html. All these are comes under Client side execute. What are you doing, buddy? You don't write that? Yo. I should tell everything. Huh? I'm writing everything on screen for you only, no? Later you will forget. Mohammed Sadiq, what you have already watched? Listen, very important. People say JSP. We have something called JSP. People say JSP is also client side, but is not client side, server side. Only HTML is client side. Remember that. JSP is not client side. Write on this JSP cross mark. JSP is not client side. JSP is server side. It's look like executed at client side, but not executed client. It is a program. Look at the JSP, Java Server Pages. It's a program background. Now, let's go to next point. Everyone written? Shall I clear screen? Online students? Okay, then why you are asking, is it a regular class, Mohammed Sadiq? Every day is a regular class, na? Am I teaching anything out of syllabus? Right. Server side executing component. I already gave you the chapter heading, Introduction to Core Java. Again, you're asking, is it a regular class and are you out of mind? Already we started our Core Java first chapter, Introduction to Core Java. As part of this, is the fifth topic. If you have your own syllabus, tell me. I will try to teach that syllabus then. I'll stop my syllabus. Do you have any syllabus in your hand? Post here in chat window. I will teach your syllabus. There are two approaches. Either you should follow faculty or force faculty follow you. Which one you want me to do? Should I teach my syllabus or your syllabus? Fast reply. I'm waiting for your answer, man. What? You are not replying. Then why you are putting questions in the middle? Unnecessary questions, distracting questions. It's become fashion to the online students. No respect to the class, no respect to the lecture, no respect to the learning process. Whatever you want, you will post. Whatever you want, you can shout at the faculty. You guys are later. This generation guys are going in a bad way. If people are feel you are the most experienced people in the world, then why the 20 years of experience here? Why faculties taking the classes? Is it regular class, sir? Regular class time pass. I came here. No, no. Okay, guys, come back. So don't ask stupid questions. Ask some meaningful questions. Without knowing this knowledge, you cannot start Java. Java is meant for developing internet application. Which side program you are developing? That knowledge without knowing, how can I start the programming? Don't behave like a PhD students here. Tell me, what is the definition for server side? Go on. Why you are following counselor Mohammed? Is counselor teaching or I am teaching? I shared already my number also. I shared my number now. What do you mean by regular class? They said something, okay, agreed. What do you mean by regular class? This is my number, okay? If you have any doubts, send WhatsApp message to me, subject related, okay? How counselor know subject related? I already gave my number to. If you find any subject related doubt, send direct message to my WhatsApp number. Don't send message to the counselor. Counselor only meant for collecting the fees from you. That's it. Over. Subject related anything. Only fee related information, contact the counselor. Okay? Or admin, whoever. Then subject related, class login related, any other problems, contact me. And this is regular class only. Okay, na? This is regular class. It's not out of syllabus or time pass class. Okay? This is regular class. Is it clear? Your doubt is clear? Still any doubts? Good. Continue. This topic is main topic and most important topic. Without knowing this, you cannot understand Java. Come on, guys. Where is stop? Convert client side application 4 lines to server side. What do you write? An application or a program. Okay. Let me write in place of application. I want write a program. I forgot to convert, change a program. Here also I am changing to a program. Tell me, a program, where it is available? Come on, what are the changes from client to server? A program, that resides in server system. Both client side executing, server side executed, available where at server. A program that resides in server system. When a client send request, if it is, I'm not talking about client side, I want you change it to server side. It is downloaded or directly executed. If it is directly executed in server system, generates output, sends only output to the browser, is called what? Server side executing component. You have to get that points, okay? Connection points. Right. Fast. Today we have to complete other important points. Already 8:30. Try to connect with the previous point and then write. Don't write this point as a new point. It is continuation of previous point. In previously what I learned, now what are the changes? Everyone got clarity here? Now what is the diagram? Can you tell me the change from diagram? Server side program is available. Now previously the program downloaded, now downloading or running in the server? Running in the server. Tell me the step numbers. First step is what you write? Notes, diagrammatic notes. First, server system. Don't write, listen, first answer. You tell, you open your mouth and speak. First, server system. Inside server system, what you write? Program. Directly you write down arrow execute? No. Only you have to write what? Program. You must feel in the World Wide Web there is a computer. In the computer one program is placed. Is it automatically executed? When it is executed? When we send a request. Then first step, open client system, open browser, send the request. When you send request, what happened? Now, then program is executed. When the second step arrow mark should come, immediately in the server or via browser? Via browser. So second step executed. Third step generated output. And fourth step sending the response to the browser. Understand? Don't write copy paste as it is. Write down, I will tell you. First, server system. Write down as I am saying. Next up is what? Down arrow marker? No. What? Client system. Write down client system. Client system, browser, then from the browser sending request. Fast ga, draw fast, draw lines fast. Then second step what? Program executed and then generated output. Then output is sent to the browser. What are the examples of server-side executing program? Java programs, Python programs, .NET programs. Means all programming language programs are which side executed? Server side executed. Okay. Now, shall we write one complete diagram for client side, server side together? Now, this is our project. Server computer. One last diagram. Inside server computer, we have project. This is our project. Now, the project has to store data, read data from where? Database. Inside database, we have tables. Table 1. And we have another table, table 2. Can I say this is user table? And this is, I can say, product table. Okay, product table. Then tell me, here we have HTML pages. First HTML page, second HTML page. And we have server program, first servlet program, second program. This is login.html and this is registration.html and this is login servlet and this is registration servlet. Okay, servlet program is part of what? Advanced Java. This is advanced Java and this is what? HTML course. Then tell me, this is your browser. In browser, you open, you send the request. When you send the request, now login.html page is downloaded. In login.html page, you are asked to enter what? Username. And you asked what? Password. After this class completed, today onwards, you must think like a developer, not as a user. And then enter your login. I enter my username, enter my password, click on login. Then what happened? This username and password go to where? Login servlet. Yes or no? Then from here it will go to where? User table. Okay, user table. User table. Here in the user table, it found user is available. Then it will go to where? Okay, it will come to the servlet and say that, yes, buddy, user is available. Okay, then it will come to where? Products table. Because you are a valid user, na? When you are a valid user, products has to display to you, no? Then the products are reading and displaying to, okay, products are reading and given to whom now? Servlet. Then servlet is sending the products information to the browser. Then browser displaying product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4, product 5, product 6. Understand? This is products info. This is the basic idea. So this is the request 1, response 1. And this is request 2 and response 2. Okay, internet application is working on which model? Request response model. In advanced Java, you are going to get more detailed explanation, but first you should have a clarity on this diagram. So tell me, what is these two applications are? Login and registration. These two are what applications? Client side executing. Tell me, login servlet is visible? Not visible. Let me take blue color one. Login servlet and registration servlet. These two are what applications? Server side execution. Always server side execution program is accessed via login. So the first step, request is sent. Second step, response is coming HTML page. Third step, you entered a data. Fourth step, you click on the button. Fifth step, the data, username, password data is giving to whom now? Servlet program. Then sixth step, servlet is checking is that user available or not. Seventh step, retrieving the products available. And eighth step, that products are sending back to the browser. Eighth step, products are sending to the browser. Ninth step, products are displayed. So final conclusion, on every click you are doing on the browser, background what is executing? Servlet program from Java. This point you have to register. That is a servlet program background interacting with what? Database. Write on this diagram. Sir, fast you have written. Where I have to start, sir? Chapandi, you only tell where you have to start writing. Left to right, right to left, right to left, again right, left to right. Write down, I will tell. Server system, server computer, server computer. Second, project dabba. Project box. Inside project, we have 2 pages. Login.html, reg.html. Right as I am saying. First, login HTML, registration HTML, login servlet, registration servlet, database. This is user table and this is product table. Online students, writing a anywhere you have confusion, please ask. Then once the project and database ready, now the flow of execution. Come to the client side. Client side, browser. Client side, client system, and then this is what? Browser. From the browser, we access login.html. Request one send, right arrow mark, request one send, login.html arrow mark. As a response, what is coming? File up, page. HTML file, HTML page. HTML file means login.html entire file. Page means internal available code. HTML2 by HTML available code is called what? HTML page. What is downloaded now? HTML page. And given to browser. Browser running and showing the login page. Username, password, login button. Today class is very important class. Please spend time at home to understand and apply on many websites. Every website is following the same. Amazon you open, feel it. Flipkart open, feel it. Book My Show open, feel it. ircts.com, feel it. This is a client. Click background servlet database coming. Again click background servlet database coming. So feel it. If you don't feel, then it will be very difficult for you to handle. Here we have 2 things, both core Java and advanced Java. Then you enter username, password, click on. Then send the request number 2. Now request number 2 will go to HTML page or servlet? Servlet, because we have to verify username, password valid or not. Go there. Then login servlet is interacting with the database, verifying. How it will interact with the database and verify? By using the language called what? SQL. Right in there, SQL. By using SQL, it talked to the user, found this user is available. Then coming back, when user is available, empty page should display, na products page should display, products page. Then go to the product table, get the products information. Everyone writing a SQL. Login servlet to table, result coming. Then login servlet go into the product. From the product, we are getting back. And then now login servlet is sending the result. Products information response to, and products information displayed here. This is our way of every website running. Every website is divided into 2 parts. What are the 2 parts? Client side and server side. This point I want to inject today in your brains. Put login.html, registration.html arrow mark, client side execution. Put login.servlet and registration.servlet inside one box and say server side execution. Always server side execution programs are accessed via client side execution programs by clicks. Today class is very important. You have to read yourself, you have to by heart, you have to remember, you have to feel. When you got a pain to your hand, are you getting feel? Your friend fell down, got some, his hand or something is broken. Will you get the pain? Will you get that feelings? No. And you are playing with your friend, touching, pressing it and asking, pain ira? So that pain you have to get. Server side, client side, and the connection, flow of execution. The 3 slides I explained today, only 3 slides. Client side executing, server side executing, and project. Both together, client side executing together, project. Okay. Now, first you by heart remember. Client side meaning what? Server side meaning what? Both together, project meaning what? Okay, remember. Now, after remembering, let me apply. In your laptop or in your mobile, open browser. Open browser. Don't use mobile apps. Open browser. Right, in your mobile also you can open browser, na? Chrome browser is there. Then type there. Okay. Now let me consider internet application called Amazon. In internet application Amazon, we have 2 parts are there, client side and server side. Client side is the HTML pages coming on running on my browser. Wow, HTML page come, client side program came, talk, feel. Okay. Then now how can I contact server side? Click any one of the button available here, any one of the button available here. For example, I want to buy this ironing these things. And then now when I click on, how I got this page? Ask a question. How did I get this page? Oh, I got this page when the previous page, when I click on this image, then this image background connected to one servlet. That servlet talking to database, getting this product information, return that product information to my browser. Acha, oh, okay. I'll do one thing. Again clicking, asking. I will click again. When I click on it, what happen again? Okay. Again it will go to servlet. What is the servlet name? None of your business. Servlet ante. You are not the developer, just understanding the flow of execution. Servlet. Then servlet background going and working with what? Database. Okay, from database. Okay, this is the next page we got. Acha, okay, this is the final page. Okay, this is the final page I got to buy the product. They are giving some other, okay, products. For example, I want to buy this product. Then again click on, again servlet, database to servlet to HTML page. Okay, boring, Amazon. I want to take a HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank login. Tell me, is HDFC Bank is social media application? Is HDFC Bank is social media app? No. But look at here, it is not social media, but it is showing some products here. This first page we got, what this page is called? Come on, client side. Okay. Then now I click on something, net banking. No, okay, insurance. I want to click on private car insurance. When I click on private car insurance, again it is interacting with what? Servlet. Servlet to database. From database, car insurance related information is taking and prepare one HTML page. That HTML page content is sending to us. Then displaying the next product. Okay, now, so tell me, what is the complete flow of execution of one internet application? Step number 1, end user to browser, browser to HTML page, HTML page downloading, executed in the browser, end user click, then click to servlet, servlet to database, database to servlet, servlet back to browser. Next page is displaying output page. Okay, na? Now that servlet program dabba there na, in that servlet program dabba we have servlet program, core Java program, JDBC program, Spring Boot, everything is there. That's what you are learning as part of our course. As part of Java module, you are going to learn that servlet server side programs how to develop. UI module, you are learning front end how to develop. Database module, you are learning how to prepare the tables in the database. Understand the 3 points, right? So please try to revise today given notes, apply this knowledge on the real-time live examples on the different websites and come to the class. Tomorrow we will see the first program development in core Java. Is it clear? Right? Don't miss tomorrow class, very important. Thank you. Online students, do you have any questions? Dinesh, HTML. Servlet program internally uses HTML and generate that page. Archana, look at here. This is login.html. This is called file. This is called HTML file. Okay. Inside HTML file, we write the tags. HTML, first tag, second tag, third tag, fourth tag, and then by HTML. This code, this is called code. Can you hear me? Archana, can you hear me now? Okay. What I'm saying? This is HTML file. Okay, let me show you directly in the system instead of this. Let me show you directly. This is advanced Java batch and this is servlets. Add. This file, what you are seeing, this is HTML file. Right click, Open with right click, open with edit plus. This code is called HTML page. Clear? Whenever I say file, you have to imagine this one. Whenever I say page, you have to visualize this code. When you run this file, what is coming into the browser? File or code? Code. HTML page is downloaded, executed by the browser, displaying this is the content. Okay, na? Online students, do you have any other questions? Saurabh, don't call everyone. There are only two people you have to call. Number one, your class admin, Rajeshwari. Rajeshwari, are you there in the class? Can you share your number? Alamasha, I will tell you when is the last demo. Did I say last demo today? No, no. Dinesh Kumar, you can come. Saurabh, I shared admin number. Saurabh, are you there? Yeah, please take that number. Only talk to her. Send a WhatsApp message, they will call you back. Okay? I shared the number, admin number, and my number. Tomorrow join the class by using same link. Link is not changed. When I say link is changed, until then you join by using same link. Clear? Thank you guys. That's all for today class. See you all tomorrow. Tomorrow, 7:20. Tomorrow class, you have to join class.